Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast. I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom. Good to have you here. How are you today, Lucy?
I'm great, thanks for asking. So, small story from this morning. I met a new neighbor at the coffee shop.
Oh, nice. What happened?
Well, she smiled at me and I just said, "Hello, my name is Lucy." Very simple.
That's it? Just hello, my name is Lucy?
That's it. 4 small words, and suddenly, we're not strangers anymore.
I like that. It's such a small sentence, but it opens the door to everything.
Exactly. And today, that's our topic. How to say your name and how to ask someone else's name in English. Before we start, if this podcast is helping you, tap that subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode.
And a like really helps too. It only takes 1 second.
Okay, let's begin with the basic sentence. Hello, my name is Lucy.
Hello, my name is Tom.
Perfect. Notice the pattern. Hello, my name is, and then your name.
Hello, my name is, and then just add the name at the end.
Exactly. Very short, very easy to remember.
What if I want to ask someone else's name?
Good question. We say, "What is your name?"
What is your name?
And in short spoken English, people often say, "What's your name?"
What's your name? So what is becomes what's.
Exactly. Just like it is becomes it's. Same little shortcut. Let's try it together. I'll ask, you answer.
Okay, I'm ready.
What's your name?
My name is Tom.
Nice. Now you ask me.
What's your name?
My name is Lucy. After someone tells you their name, there's a very common friendly reply.
What's that?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I hear that a lot.
You'll hear it every single time 2 people meet for the first time.
So the full exchange is, hello, my name is Lucy, nice to meet you. And the other person says it back.
Exactly. Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too. Simple, but it feels warm.
That's the beauty of small sentences, Tom. They carry a lot of feeling. Let's do a mini role play. I'll be a new person and you introduce yourself to me.
Okay. Hello, my name is Tom.
Hi, Tom. My name is Lucy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lucy.
See? You just did a full introduction all by yourself.
That actually felt easy.
It is easy once you know the shape of it. Now, there's one more piece we often add. How are you?
How are you?
And the common answer is, I'm fine, thank you. Or simply, I'm good, thanks.
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking.
So after names, how are you usually comes next.
Very often, yes. Name, then a little how are you? It's the natural next step in a friendly hello. Let's practice the full mini conversation together from the very start. Okay, let's go. Hello, my name is Lucy.
Hi, my name is Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, thanks.
Wow, that's a real conversation. Short, but complete.
Exactly. And it's something you can use today with anyone. One more small piece before we finish. Sometimes people also ask, "Where are you from?"
Where are you from?
And we answer with, "I am from," and then the name of our country or city. I am from Manchester.
And in short form,
Just, I'm from Manchester. Just like I am becomes I'm.
I'm from London. Where are you from?
I'm from Manchester. Now you have 4 small tools. Your name, nice to meet you, how are you, and where are you from? Let's do one more full role play using everything together.
I'm ready.
Hello, my name is Lucy.
Hi, Lucy. My name is Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Where are you from?
I'm from London. Where are you from?
I'm from Manchester.
That's amazing. We just had a whole conversation with only a few simple sentences.
That's the real power of A1 English, Tom. Small sentences, but they open real doors.
I feel like I could actually use this today with a real person.
You can, and you should. Go say hello to someone new this week.
I will, I promise.
Learning a language isn't about big words. It's about small, real moments like this one.
A small sentence, a real smile, and suddenly two strangers become friends.
Exactly. That's what today was really about. Let's do our summary, nice and slow, one more time.
To say your name, hello, my name is, and then your name.
To ask someone else's name, what's your name?
To answer politely when you meet someone, nice to meet you, and the reply is, nice to meet you too.
To ask how someone is, how are you? And to answer, I'm fine, thank you, or I'm good, thanks.
And to talk about your country, where are you from? And I'm from, plus your city or country.
Small pieces, but together they make a full, friendly conversation.
A conversation anyone can start from day one of learning English.
Now it's your turn, everyone listening. Try saying out loud, hello, my name is, and your own name.
And write it in the comments too, so we can say hello back to you.
If this felt useful, subscribe to English Podcast so you don't miss the next episode.
And share it with a friend who's just starting to learn English too.
Thanks for spending this little bit of time with us.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.